Yes, engineers, good afternoon. I want us to. I'm going to share this stormwater GIS tool that is going to help us do the sizing of the channels. So this one is well compiled, and it can also save your work. So as you receive this file, the first thing is to just double click, download and double click it to install. So I'll just install. Just click next until you finish. Then just click this. As we install, it's this one. Sorry. So I will just launch it direct. Now the first thing is for you to have the DEM, and I think yesterday we downloaded the DEM, but I'm going to repeat the procedure because I know some it's going to be the first time to download it. So to do so, you come here to your Chrome, then you go to end of your profile. Now here you load your USGS as Explorer. I'll click on this, but you can just search at Explorer here. Just search for at Explorer, and then it will land you to this site, USGS at Explorer, and then you log in. It's compulsory for you to log in before you can be able to download anything. So my internet, I think it's having issues since yesterday. Try again. Yes. So after you've loaded your USGS, here you have to come. Of course, you will have prepared them, or you have them because I prepared and sent. I shared them. I shared the boundary sites. Though for my case, I think I've deleted them, but for your case, I shared the boundaries. So just use those boundaries to, or you can just come here and save one. So I'm going to download. Maybe I'll use the South Galkayo, this one, the boundary. I'll just save as place. Okay, this boundary I shared. We have the boundaries for the two sites. So this is the boundary, our working area, the one that you use to develop the channel. So I'll come here, save, then it is South Galkayo boundary, and then I'll just close. Now in USGS, you'll come here to the search criteria for your area. I'll use the KML stroke KMZ and load it. So here I'll just select South Galkayo boundary like that. Then it will pick the area, and then after that you come here to datasets. We are interested in digital elevation models. I'll select this, then RTM second global, which is WGS 1984 30-meter resolution, something like that, and then you go to results. Now here in results, as you can see, we only have one DEM, this one, so you just download it. And from our previous discussions, we said it's going to be like around 25 MB, so you download the GeoTIFF, DEM GeoTIFF. Now we did this one yesterday. I already have the DEM for that, so that's the procedure. After downloading the DEM, you will have it on your desktop or where you will save it. So for my case, it's this one. It's this one. I have already downloaded it. So after this, what next? After downloading the DEM, the next thing is to now use it. So to use that DEM, I'll come here to the software. So make sure you do this work within the shortest period of time possible, because it has a trial days of 3 trial days. After this, you will not be able to use it unless I send you the license. So I'll load the DEM from here, and I'll import the DEM. So I'll just come here to desktop, then I'll load it, open, then it will zoom to the site like this. As you can see, this is our DEM. And if you come here to properties, okay, right now I've not included them, but it has the 30 meter resolution, 30 by 30, and then after that I'll also load the pipes. This icon is for the pipes, and this pipe you have to load the KMZ. So load the pipes that we have, drainage. So load these pipes that we have, then I'll load the South Galkaya done by Mike. So here, these are the pipes that we are having. Now for these pipes, you right click, and then you come here to the flex table. Now in this flex table, the first thing, the length, everything will be automated, and the material I said we use concrete smooth. Now for the slope, this slope you can play around with it the way you want. There is no minimum, there is no maximum, because it's the one controlling the velocity and the Q design. So you can copy all your Qs from the Excel and paste, then they will just automate. So if I assume my first Qs are 1.2, then as you can see, there is no calculate or analyze button, so everything is automated. It's just like an Excel. Now for this one, it's failing. Our Q is 1.2 and the calculated is 0.9, so this means it's not going to pass. So what you can do, one, you can change this channel. As I said, use a rectangle or trapezoidal. So I'll just increase this one to 900 maybe. It has 0.4. Then this one I'll just go with 0.6. Okay, 600. Then we can increase this one to 0.75 and see, it's almost. So we can just go with 0.8 or 0.85. Yes. So if this one is not working, considering your Q, this amount of water is also too much. So what you can do, maybe you can increase this one to 1200 or 1000, and this one 600 or 750, something like that. So with this, that is okay, and then you can just click save. So it will save all your channels, and for you to load it later, because that is what I'll want from you, make sure you Control S on your keyboard, or sometimes Control S will not, you will not realize if it worked. So what you'll do, just to be on the safer side, please click on this save, then you can save it. So for me, I'll just save it to my desktop, and I'll just name it drain South Galkaya channel, something like that. Then you say, so save it well, then you'll have to send me this file, because I'll load and confirm what you did, like that. So if you come back here to the flex table, all your properties, anything that you did will just be there as it appears. So I'll go maybe for this one, we can change it to trapezoidal of 1 meter. Then this one maybe 500, and as you can see 2.2, and this one is 2.1. It's okay, but it's giving us blue because we don't have an Q here. So maybe here, maybe you had 1.8, and as you can see, it's passing. So I prefer using the trapezoidal because it is having the higher very high capacity. When you increase this one, as you can see, even the velocity is failing and the Q is failing. So for the same Q, let's assume this Q, as you can see, the Q is even 1.2, and this one. So if I put here 1.2, then this channel we can even use even maybe 600 by even 400. So we are reducing the size to make sure that the velocity and the Q passes. So you'll realize the efficiency of trapezoidal channel is more compared to that of rectangle. But for this design, please, let's maximize on the use of the rectangular channels. The trapezoidal, you can just use it when your Q is way above maybe 2 point something there, but mostly just use the rectangle channel. And then after that, please make sure you save your work like that. Then we can just close. So after this, maybe you can just save your work again. It will be saved and you'll see it from the bottom here. So if you save, if you click save, then you'll just see saving. Then after that you can close. When you open this software, so your saved file is this one. When you open the software again, so this is when you send me these files. Of course, each one of you will have, the three of you will have to send me these files, and I'll have to look at them. So you'll send me three things: the Excel, the one that you use to calculate the Q, this file, the one that you use to analyze your channels, and also another file that you will send me is actually the how do you call it, the PDF design report. So we need to do that and send them to me. Then maybe tomorrow we can have a meeting. Tomorrow is Wednesday evening. We can have a meeting so that I take you through the Civil 3D part, and it will be okay. So here you don't have to load anything. You just have to open the already saved model, which is and Muladi stormwater. Muladi is a software that I'm developing. It's a structural software actually. So anything that I develop, I just attach it to Muladi like that. So maybe I'll just load this, and it will have all the properties. It will save all the DEMs, it will save all the pipes and everything, and it will save all the analyzed system. So all these parameters will be saved. So whoever is going to have the software can open and look at your work. I think that is all for us. Maybe if you have any question, please just get back to me very fast, and I'll be able to help. Thank you for that, and have a good day.